at our latest acquisition. This is what we've fondly been referring to as Bullwinkle, because he hit a bus, or the bus hit a moose. This is a 73?
73, yeah.
73. 1.7 carbureted, usual air-cooled junk. Full of all the bits and bobs and extra bits and bobs to rebuild it. So we're actually going to end up being in the process of hauling this out today. And here we go. Here's actually the front of what it did look like when it hit the moose. Imagine it, however.
Even crushed in worse.
Imagine it covered in fur and moose shit.
Right on down the side.
Right on down the side. So you were doing about what, 100 when you hit him?
No.
You slowed right down?
75 or 80.
75 or 80, okay, so still. And, you walked out unscathed. You had a few cuts and bruises.
Yeah, that's all.
Well, there you go. This is Dave, guys. Dave is the
Hi, guys.
previous owner. And he graciously allowed me to purchase this. It's always been a dream of mine to have a Volkswagen Bus, and now I do. So you're going to see this, I guess, get put back together. We've got some parts ordered. Dave's also provided us with a couple of good new old stock replacement bits. And so our hope is to have this hopefully running and back on the road for next season. But, hopes and dreams, as always.
Yeah, there's a spare engine with it.
Perfect.
And a few more spare parts. And our friend Christopher generously donated another nose of 7576 Westy.
Yeah, and I've actually already ordered the replacement panel to fix this rot. Shawn's going to have a fun time welding.
Yeah, that's for sure.
Anyway, guys, you'll see more of this as time goes on. And if you got any comments or questions, fire it down there in the comment section. The fine people at R&D Towing here in St. John's, Newfoundland, did a great job, as always, bringing rusty junk home for me. So if you're in the area and you need a tow job done, definitely recommend them. I'll put a link to their Facebook page and telephone number in the description below. But yeah, she's home. Or he's home, I guess, Bullwinkle. The car is also full. I'll take you guys up there in a second. Full of parts. So this bus literally came with enough pieces, I think, to build another bus, which is kind of cool. Get a little look at the power barn in here, as Derek would say. So not much to look at, but it's a 1.7 liter air-cooled VW engine. It's originally out of a Type 4, I think. It's not actually original to the rig. We got a little bit of speed holes forming here in the bottom. But yeah, other than that, it looks all right for its age and for what happened to it. I mean, it did hit a moose. First time I've seen it sort of in LED lighting. Looks like it has been repainted. Looks like we have a brighter orange up here and a slightly off color on the bottom, which is fine. Originally from somewhere out west, it's got the usual VW rot. Dog leg looks all right in the back, terrible up front, but that's the nice thing. It came with all the replacement bits. So let's go check out what's in the car. Unlock the hatch so you guys can see. So she's full of new old stock metal parts. So got lots of good metal to patch in where it needs to be patched. A lot of metal I don't need, like these complete dog legs. I don't need all of them, just basically the step and the front bit. But yeah, it's cool. So it came with a pile of stuff. Got a battery tray. Got some more metal. All the bits for the electrical system. All the bits for the call it HVAC, but hot air, transmission. Bunch of new distributors. Bunch of new, old carburetors for rebuilding and whatnot. Anyway, pretty excited. We're going to get all this unloaded and loaded into the Euro van, and that'll be our working space where we'll end up keeping our parts until we get the van finished. But anyway, so stay tuned, guys. We're going to have more about this van build as the days progress. But don't worry, we also have some stuff coming up about the Ranger, as well as we'll be doing some videos on Uncle Buck, the Ford F-150 that we're working on for a friend, and of course, don't forget Ron Burgundy, our 1984, I think, VW Rabbit. We're going to be turning this into an autocross / drag car. So more information on that should be coming soon. And as always, guys, thanks for watching.